Want to learn how to convert Asana data to Excel quickly? If you've been struggling to export your tasks and projects from Asana, stick around because I'll show you an easy way to do it. By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert your Asana data to Excel with just a few simple steps. Trust me, it's easier than you think. Before we jump into it, if you're looking for the best tools to boost your productivity, check out the first link below. You can get started for free with some exclusive bonuses, so don't miss out. Let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is open your Asana project. This is where all your tasks and data are stored, and this is the source of your export. You'll want to make sure your project has all the data you want to export, such as tasks, assignees, due dates, and priority labels. Once you've got everything ready, we can move on to the next thing. Next, go to the project view in Asana. You can either use a list view or a board view, but the list view is the easiest to work with when exporting data. Once you're in the list view, click on the Export option at the top right of the screen. You'll see a few different formats you can choose from. For Excel, go ahead and select the CSV option. It's essentially the same as Excel for our purposes and will allow you to open it in Excel. Now, once you've selected CSV, Asana will automatically generate the file and prompt you to download it. This file will contain all your project's tasks, including the task name, assignee, due date, and status. You'll have a neat, organized table ready to open in Excel. Go ahead and download that file, and let's move on to the next thing. When you open the CSV file in Excel, you might notice that the data is not perfectly formatted yet. Don't worry, because there are a few quick adjustments you can make. First, check for any extra spaces or broken columns. You can clean up the data by simply adjusting column widths and deleting any unnecessary information that might have come over from Asana. This is a simple step to ensure your data looks clean and ready for further analysis or reporting. The fourth thing you might want to do is save the file in Excel format. If you want to keep working with your data in Excel, you can save it as an Excel workbook by going to File and then selecting Save As. Choose the Excel format, XLSX, to ensure you preserve all the data in its best possible form. At this point, your Asana data is now neatly transferred into Excel, and you can start using it however you like. Whether you're creating custom reports, tracking progress, or simply organizing your project better, having your data in Excel gives you a lot more flexibility. Remember, you can use this process to quickly convert Asana data to Excel whenever you need it. The beauty of it is, with just a few clicks, you can have your data ready to analyze or present without any hassle. Before we wrap up, don't forget about the exclusive free trial for the software I mentioned earlier. Click the link in the description to access it and start using the tool today. Plus, if you sign up through the link, you'll get some special bonuses. Thanks for watching, and good luck converting your Asana data to Excel.